Hey guys, I'm Kyle and I'm here for AlphaTech to introduce you to their new spy camera. AlphaTech makes the smartest and most accessible spy camera on the market. So I have here the Wi-Fi version of the spy camera from AlphaTech. The big difference between the Wi-Fi camera and the standard camera is the Wi-Fi camera, well, like its name says, has Wi-Fi. So for a quick tech description, both cameras have an updated sensor with a wider angle of view. The cameras both support micro SD cards up to 120 gigabytes, and they both work from power banks, USB cables, other chargers, or you can just plug them into the wall. Now, the big feature though that sets the Wi-Fi camera apart from the standard camera is remote monitoring. And AlphaTech has made a great app for iOS or for Android. And the app even includes a live view feature. The coolest thing about the AlphaTech Spy Cam is that when it records, is that there's no blinking lights, there's no sounds, there's nothing. There's no reason for anyone to think that this isn't just a charger. For the micro SD cards, the port for the micro SD cards is right here. There's nothing super complicated about it. You take your micro SD card, you put it in. When it's in, it clicks. And to take it out, well, it's like every other micro SD card. Okay, so here on the back of the camera is a place for the SD card. And AlphaTech, so they've given us some stickers that say power adapter model S3. You just put them on like this, and no one's gonna know you have your little SD card in there recording them.